अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल है मिस हिना इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में देखिए बेल आइकन बटन को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे आने वाले ऐसे वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलिए एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं वीडियो की जाने बाद आपको बताऊंगी 10 easy pictures of draw for beginners. You might think that drawing is to like touching your tongue to your nose. Some people can do it and some people cannot, but that actually not true. Drawing is more like driving. The more you practice, the better you get. We have got 10 easy pictures for beginners to draw. The key is drawing things that interest you. You will be more likely to stick with it. Even if you are times are not mess, and before you know it, those skills will come. Even colors you will start developing your own signature styles. Yes or no? Here are 10 greatest way to get started. This is to draw subject will help you to explore basic techniques and build your confidence as an artist. Plus, you will turn out some seriously legatic at artwork along the way. Food is an fantastic subject matter for art. Artwork it is universal, recognized, enable, appealing, and best of all, it will stay a will of you want to. It pose for you. Drawing food will also educate. You can shape and spread your relationship. Pastries are a particularly fun type of food to draw. Drawing an entire carton might seem donating about, but you can get your feet wet by exploring faces and expression. After just a little practice, you will be amazed at the variety of the emotions what you can convey with simple line and subtitle variations and placement and angle of eyebrows and lips. Even if you are beginners, these are the hint. It is hard to go wrong because there are many types of trees and so many ways to portray trees that are recognizable, whether it is simplified triangle turned into a Christmas tree or a cloud like a puff. Also, simpler linear trunk they are accessible to artists and at levels. Flowers are the one of the most gratifying thing to draw because they are instantly recognizable, regardless or whether you are style in detail and realistic or cartoonish and bubbly. Their non-linear organic shapes also make them a very forgiving subject matter if you are not completely confident in your skills. Yes, it an easy way to explore creating art with mixed media to as flower are instantly inviting when color is added. Cartoon animals are extremely easy to draw because you are reducing an animals to the bare minimum of lines. You typically need just a few lines of great and adorable character, and the simplicity allows you a chance to add adorable expressions which is a worthy cute creature. There is long-term bonus to once you master a cartoonish method of creating animals, you will be better equipped with the skills of explore drawing animals in a less realistic style, building or architectural structure. Building and simple architecture structures is a great way to get started with drawing. Even complicated structures will have an element of mystery and repetition in shapes or patterns. Just a matter of being patient enough to render render them yourself. If you adding perspective has you stumped make it easier by using tracing paper. It is not cheating at all. You will be amazed by the impressive success you can render by simplify following the blueprint of architecture from leaves. Leaves are an easy and rewarding subject matter. You for drawing simple cartoon style lines. Drawing of leaves are about as a sketching basis shapes. Even as new artists can master simple leaf shapes in a short period of time. The recognizable shapes of leaves can then be filled in creativity. Elastic leaves are actually surprisingly simple to draw. To create life-like leaves simply requires some observations and the ability of create leaf shapes that are slightly uneven. The mimic the way that in nature so two leaves are quite the same. How to draw precisely, yeah, at first glance, positive might seem like an impossibly complicated design to draw better suited for advanced artists than न्यू बाइज, हाउएवर दिस कुड नॉट बी फर्दर फ्रॉम द ट्रूथ। हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।